Hey, I'm Kate, and for the last 8 months I worked for Lykon, Berlin-based food tech company. So let me show you how it works.
I'm Lukasz, head of digital product at Lykon.
Hi, I'm the product scientist for Lykon. I oversee our product development for our customer diagnostics that we offer through the app.
We offer DNA and blood tests to help you with healthy nutrition. We strongly believe that the way you eat should be as unique as you are. The reason why we searched for an agency was that it's difficult to find a skilled designer, and most of designers don't like to work alone. Cieden solved this problem for us, and we started our collaboration with Kate.
I create design concepts based on business needs and user research. I write scripts for user interviews and conduct them, create surveys, user flows, and finally wireframes.
Kate has been incredibly helpful in helping us improve the design of our app. We try to communicate a lot of complicated topics in personalized nutrition and genetics, and Kate has really simplified and cleaned these concepts to make it easier for the customers to improve their life.
My goal as designer is to bridge the gap between strategic intent and user experience, delivering design that not only is aligned with business objectives, but also delight and engage the customers.
Probably one of the most important aspects of our collaboration is that it doesn't feel that we work with an external agency. Kate deeply cares about the product and the business as if she was an employee. She doesn't like to cut corners or compromise on the quality. She also has a quite deep understanding of the business and is always open for discussions that are outside of her responsibilities.
Kate, however, has brought a very design-oriented focus and really changed the way we look at communicating to our customers. Our workshops have been very helpful in bringing out our creativity and applying new solutions to traditional problems.
One of the main things we prioritize in Cieden is design and development cooperation. Designers should understand development specifics. A beautiful design is great, but what's the point if it can't be put together?
Kate and I worked together a lot on the Lykon mobile app. She worked on the app rebrand project, on meal plan, and many other improvements that we implemented in the app. I'm happy that Kate really understands the impact she can create on the product and our customers. I would definitely recommend Cieden.